Good morning, dear students. In today's class, we will see the algebraic expressions. So, first let me explain what is a term, and what is coefficient, and what is variable, and what is constant. Now, I have taken a term 5x minus 3. This is a given algebraic expression. Now, for this, we have to say the terms. Terms means 5x is one term and minus 3 is another term. Okay, so 5x is one term, minus 3 is another term. Now we will see what is a coefficient. Coefficient means with the alphabet letters any number is attached. For example, 5x இருக்கு. அப்போ 5x என்றப்போ வந்து that x is known as variable and the 5 is known as a coefficient. A coefficient means the number which is attached with the variable is called coefficient. Variable means English alphabets x, y, z. Those things are known as a variable. Now what is a constant? Constant means any number that stands alone. So in this expression minus 3 stands alone up, that is known as a constant. So terms means 5x and minus 3. So there are two terms are involved. Coefficient means the number which is attached with the variable. Variable means English alphabets. Okay, x, y, z, a, b, c. So those things are known as a variable. Constant means the number that stands alone is known as a constant. Okay. Now we will see an example. What are the factors and terms of a given expression? Now I have chosen the other expression as 2x plus 3. So this is the expression. எல்லாமே சேர்த்து சொல்றது பேர் வந்து expression. That is 2x plus 3 is known as expression. Now here what are the terms involved? Term 1 is 2x. Term 2 is 3. Okay. So this is called term 1 and term 2. Okay. Now 2x. This 2x can be splitted as factors. Factors naka multiplications are on the split pannalam. 2x can be written as 2 into x. Appo 2 is known as factor 1 and x is known as factor 2. As I have already told you, the number that stands alone is known as a constant. Appo here 3 is known as a constant. சரிங்களா? அப்போ expression means எல்லாத்தையும் சேர்த்து எழுதுறதுக்கு பேர் expression. That is 2x plus 3. This is a expression. இதில் டேர்ம்ஸ் அப்படின்னாக்க அதை தனித்தனியாக ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணுறது. அப்போ 2xன்றது ஒரு டேர்ம், 3ன்றது வந்து அனதர் டேர்ம். ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் அப்படின்னாக்க மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் டைப்பில் எழுதுறது. அப்போ 2x அப்படின்னாக்க தட் கேன் ரிட்டன் ஆஸ் 2 இன்ட்டு எக்ஸ். அப்போ 2 இஸ் ஃபேக்டர் 1 அண்ட் எக்ஸ் இஸ் ஃபேக்டர் 2. த நம்பர் தட் ஸ்டாண்ட்ஸ் அலோன் இஸ் கால்டு கான்ஸ்டன்ட். அப்போ டேர்ம் 2வில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்க 3ன்னு சொல்லி மட்டும் தனியாக இருக்கும். தட் இஸ் நோன் ஆஸ் கான்ஸ்டன்ட் டேர்ம். ஓகே, we will see one more. Now here I have chosen the expression as 3ab minus 5a அப்படின்றது வந்து expression. இப்போ இதில் term 1 அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னாக்க 3ab is term 1 and minus a minus 5a is term 2. ஓகே, இப்போ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டேர்மில் வந்து ஃபேக்டர்ஸை ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னாக்க 3 into abன்னு சொல்லி எழுதும். ஓகே, that is factor 1. இந்த a into b that can be written as ab can be written as a into b. அப்போ a என்றது ஃபேக்டர் 2, b என்றது வந்து ஃபேக்டர் 3. இது வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டேர்ம். சரிங்களா? அப்போ 3ab can be written as 3 into ab. That ab can be written as a into b. அப்போ 3abல வந்து there are 3 factors are involved. 3 into. Okay. Now for term 2 minus 5a. அப்போ அதனுடைய ஃபேக்டர் பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்க minus 5 into a. அப்போ minus 5 is factor 1. a is factor 2. Okay. அப்போ செகண்ட் டேர்முக்கு ஃபேக்டர்ஸ்னு கேட்டோம் அப்படின்னாக்க minus 5 into a. Okay. Expression means combine together and say 3ab minus 5a. This is known as expression. Okay. Right. Now we will see types of expressions. Okay. There are 4 types we have. The first one is monomial. Okay. Monomial means if there is only one term. அப்போ number of terms வந்து only one இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா that is called monomial. For example, 5x. 5x is an expression. There is number of terms only one, 5x. Number of terms 1, so this is known as a monomial. Binomial means number of terms should be 2. Bi அப்படினாலே 2 னு அர்த்தம், மோனோனா சிங்கிள் னு அர்த்தம். சரிங்களா? அப்போ for example 2x minus 5, there are two terms are involved. 2x is one term, minus 5 is other term. அப்போ there are two terms, அப்போ number of terms 2 அப்படினாக்க that is known as binomial. The third one is trinomial. Tri means 3. Okay, number of terms 3 அப்படினு இருந்துச்சுனாக்க that is known as trinomial. For example 5x plus 4y minus 4. So here there are three terms are involved. 5x is one term, 4y is second term, and minus 4 is a third term. Upon number of terms 3 means that is known as trinomial. More than 3 terms means that is known as a polynomial. 4 terms, 5 terms, 6 terms, 10 terms, 12 terms, 25 terms. எது வந்தாலும் polynomial we have to say in general. More than 3 terms is known as polynomial. Let us see the example. X cube minus 3x square plus 8x minus 11. Here x cube is one term, minus 3x square second term, plus 8x third term, minus 11 is fourth term. Here there are 4 terms are involved, so more than 3 terms means that is known as polynomial. Okay, so these are the types of expressions, that is monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. Now we will see to find the squares of the numbers. Squares of number means I have chosen from number 1 to 20. So 1 square means 1 into 1, that is 1. 2 square means 2 into 2. When you multiply you will be getting 4. 3 square means 3 into 3, that is 9. 4 square means 4 into 4, that is 16. Similarly, if you go on squaring the numbers, for example 19 square means 19 into 19, so it is 361. 20 square means 20 into 20, that is 400. So this is how we have to find the squares of the numbers. Okay, and now we will see how to find the cubes of the number. Cube means power 3, square means power 2, cube means power 3. So 1 cube means this should be written as 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. 2 cube means we have to multiply 2 in 3 times, that is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 4 cube means 4 into 4 into 4, so 4 4s are 16. 16 into 4 will be 64. 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5, so 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5 is 125. So this is how we have to find out the cubes of the numbers. So now we will see what is today's homework. Today's homework is the first home letter. We have to fill the table given below. So there are 2 sums I have shown how to do. Remaining 5 sums you have to try and you have to fill the table. Now look at the first one. The expression as 3x plus 2y. This is the expression. Now we have to write down the terms. Number of terms here. 3x is one term and 2y is another term. With comma you have to write it. And the number of terms means 2. There are 2 terms, 3x and 2y. So type of expression means since there are 2 terms are involved, so it is known as binomial. Look at the second question. 4x square minus 7xy plus 5y minus 8. So here the number of terms are 4x square is one term, first term, minus 7xy is the second term, 5y is third term, minus 8 is the fourth term. So there are 4 terms are involved. Number of terms are 4. So more than 3 terms means that is known as polynomial. So type of the expression is polynomial. So this is how you have to fill the third, fourth, fifth, sixth and 7th sum. So you have to write down the terms and write number of terms and write down the types of expression. So hint I have given below. Monomial means number of terms will be only 1. Binomial means number of terms should be 2. And trinomial means number of terms should be 3. and polynomial means number of terms should be 4 and more. Okay, that is known as a polynomial. So this hint you have to fill the first question table. Okay. Now for the second Roman letter, write down the squares of the numbers from 21 to 40. So from 21 to 40 we have to find the squares of the numbers. For example, I have given for two examples. So 21 square means you have to write 21 into 21. So multiply and write, that is 441. 22 square means 22 into 22, that is 484. 23 square means you have to write 23 into 23 and write down the value. Similarly up to 40. So 40 square means 40 into 40, that is 1600. So you have to write in this format. Okay. And Roman letter 3, you have to write down the cubes of the given numbers, that is 21 to 30. So 21 to 30 you have to write the cubes. Cube means power 3. So for example, 21 cube means 21 into 21 into 21. Write 3 times and multiply, that is 9261. 22 cube means 22 into 22 into 22, that is 10,648. Similarly, you got to write for 23 cube, 24 cube and so on. So 30 cube means 30 into 30 into 30, that is 27,000. So these are the 3 Roman letters we have for your today's homework. Thank you.